What if students are trained to drive real growth and earn revenue for the companies they're working in? A trajectory that compounds every year, exponential over the next 5. Introducing the HiveSchool UG in Business, AI and Entrepreneurship. We rebuilt the whole undergrad from scratch, 3 years on campus in Gurugram. An AI-native curriculum future-proof for an industry that's rewriting itself every 6 months. Your professors are founders and leaders from companies like Zomato, Epigamia, Razorpay, Adobe that are currently running the things that they teach you.
Every Wednesday, a founder walks in with a real brief. And by the evening, we've actually solved the problem like a real startup.
Last year, we ran live work with 70 plus brands with companies like Snitch, Doful, Culture Circle, Big Boy Toys, and this list keeps on growing.
160 challenges across 3 years, every one of them built into your portfolio.
You learn business by solving problems, and by the time you graduate, you've already built 3 businesses of your own.
A D2C brand,
An AI tech product,
a personal brand on Instagram and YouTube.
You either graduate with a startup of your own or you crack roles at the companies you've dreamt of. In the final year, you're graded through actual work, either the revenue generated for your own startups or the revenue generated for the company you're working in. And if this sounds like a tribe that you want to be a part of, I'll see you on the campus. Cheers.